Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I have this very interesting integral to look at. It's the integral of 1 all over the square root of x multiplied by 1 plus the cube root of x dx. Now where do you start from? Well, I want to remind you something here before we start evaluating this integral. Remember the cube root, first the square root of x is the same as x to the power half. How does this come about? Well, we know that this one here can also be written as this, x to the power 1. And you get the way you get rid of the square root sign is that this 2 must come and divide into the power of x there, and you get this expression here. And therefore, we can also look at the cube root of x as the cube root of x to the power 1. And the way that you get rid of the cube root sign is by dividing 3 into 1. So this becomes x to the power 1 over 3. Laws of exponents there. But now, how is this important as far as our integral is concerned? Is that you look at the denominator of the power in the first expression, and also here we have 2 and we have 3 here. And therefore we have to look at the LCM of the two numbers of 2 and 3. You may wish to revise that story. The answer is just 2. Of course, we just multiply the 2 because there's nothing that goes into the two numbers other than 1. So this, and of course themselves. So this is our LCM. Now, why is this important? It's important because in our approach now, we're going to, of course, use U-substitution, but advanced U-substitution. So let's capture the integral and then we carry on with the evaluation. So we have the integral of 1 all over the square root of x multiplied by 1 plus the cube root of x, and then we have dx. So like I said, we have the LCM of 2 and 3. So we're gonna watch this now, let u to the power 6. Where is the 6 coming from? The LCM of 2 and 3. Let u to the power 6 be equal to x. We obtain two equations from this one. The first one obviously is to take the positive 6th root both sides, and we get u. On the other side, we're going to get the 6th root of x. Right, that's the first equation. The second equation we obtain is the following. Of course, we know that the 6th root of x, the power, actually this is u, so the 6th root, of course we can put 6 there. This will be x to the power 6 over 6, and the answer is x. Now we have the 6th root of u power 6 over here. As you can see, they were taking the 6th root on both sides. This will be u power 6 over 6, and this is just u. That's how we obtain this u here. The second equation is going to be obtained by looking at differentials on both sides. Differentiating the left-hand side, we have 6 u to the power 5. Remember power rule there, and then we have to set du. On the right-hand side is just dx. Fantastic. Now our integral then changes as follows. That will be equal to the integral of 1 all over. Over here we're going to say the square root of u to the power 6 times 1 plus the cube root of u power 6. And then we have to say times, instead of dx, we have to say 6u power 5 du. 6u to the power 5 du. Now notice something here. The 6 is a constant. It can come out. So we have now the integral, put 6 outside, of 1 all over the square root of course positive. It's u power 3. Remember, you divide the 2 into 6. And then we have 1 plus the cube root of that expression there. Of course, the 3 divides into 6. The answer is 2. So we have u squared. And then multiply this by u to the power 5 du. Fantastic. Remember, the 6 is outside like so. Now let's simplify this. Taking this to page 2, simplifying that integral, we obtain the following. So what we have now is that is the same as 6 times the integral of, let me bring u power 5 up there, times 1 is u to the power 5 all over u cubed times 1 plus u squared, and then du. And of course this goes in there, and our result is u power 2. Of course, we subtract the powers when you divide expressions with the same base. So what is our next step? 6 times the integral of u squared all over 1 plus u squared du. Now look at how simple that integral is. Now I'm going to perform a simple trick in the numerator by introducing the special zero. So we have 6 times the integral of u squared plus 1 minus 1. There is your special zero right there. And we're dividing this by 1 plus u squared. And then we have du. Fantastic. Now, I'm going to split this as follows. Let me put this in brackets. Now, what we have now is 6 times the integral of, watch this, and I'm going to combine this one and that u, and I write 1 first. So 1 plus u squared, and I'm dividing this by 1 plus u squared. That expression, the denominator. And then we have the minus sign here, and then we have 1 all over 1 plus u squared. This is known as term-wise division, and we are saying times u outside there. Now notice that this is just 1, so we have, this is the same as 6 times the integral of 1 minus 1 over 1 plus u squared, and then we have to say du. Fantastic. Distribute 6 and the du. What we have is 6 times, in our next step, 6 times the integral of 1 du minus 6 times the integral of 1 over 1 plus u squared du. Nice. Let's evaluate the two integrals, and then we are almost there. What is our next step? Just to complete this now. So we are saying the integral of 1 with respect to u, obviously. You'll agree with me that that's just 6u. And then minus 6 times the integral of 1 all over 1 plus u squared. You will all agree with me that is just the arctan or tan inverse of u. And then we have to say plus c, a constant of integration. Now we know that c is a real number. Now we need to revert to our original variable, which is x. And how do we do that? By coming back to page 1. There is the connection. So where we see u, we have to say the 6th root of x. And therefore our final solution is going to be 6 times the 6th root of x, and then minus 6 times tan inverse of the 6th root of x, and then plus our constant of integration. Like I say all the time, that c is actually a real number. Please just remember that. Alright, so this is the final solution. I don't know how you would have approached this. I will be interested to hear from you. I will see you in the next one.